Get in touch with nature. That's what they told me in the time that I lived in Cambodia. My name is Angelo and I'm a mindfulness entrepreneur, happiness coach, and I learned to be in a meditative way. I learned how to connect with nature when I lived in Cambodia, and I get teachings from the monks deep inside the jungle. And the reason why it's so important to get in touch with nature is that nature has its own rules without the thinking mind that we human beings have. So what I mean by that is, for example, look this tree. It stands, it accepts the present moment, it receives, and it flourishes on its own way. Grounded by Mother Earth and connected with the total universe. If you go every day outside for a walk, even a short walk, you can experience the same. I would rather say you can experience the same feeling as nature. Consciously walking, consciously looking, observing, and connecting with all that is. That tree perhaps stands there longer than this physical expression in my form. But it's still here. No judgment, no expectations, just here in touch with everything that is. So I recommend you to do that daily walk, to get in touch. If you don't have a lot of time, just go for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or sit in your garden. At least go outside. Feel the fresh air, breathe through your nose, feel the aliveness which is going on every time, every single second, how the energy moves up and down. Feel how you connected with all that is. What's inside of you, it's inside of everything. So do this for a certain period of time, and you will notice a significant change in your state of being. And that will be gratitude. You will get a higher consciousness of who you are and more in touch with life in its purest form. Enjoy. Questions? Always welcome. Just send me a message. I'm happy to help and guide you. Have an amazing day. To your happiness, Angelo. Ciao, ciao. Bye, bye.